Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we have a fantastic find for you, the HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Stay tuned to discover why these microfiber cloths are a must-have in your cleaning arsenal. The HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloth is here to revolutionize the way you clean. With 12 cloths in each pack, you'll have a handy supply for all your cleaning needs. What sets these cloths apart is their exceptional quality, making them one of the best microfiber cloths available. Let's delve into some of the key features that make the HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloth stand out from the rest. Effective cleaning. These cloths come in the perfect size, measuring 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches, allowing you to clean various surfaces with ease. Whether it's your kitchen, worktop, windows, or even your car, these cloths deliver streak-free and spotless results using just water or your favorite cleaner. Lint-Free and scratch-free. Made of a blend of 87% polyester and 13% polyamide, these cloths are incredibly soft to the touch and completely lint-free. You can trust them to clean delicate surfaces without causing any scratches or damage. Reusable and durable. The HOMEXCEL microfiber cleaning cloths are designed to be used repeatedly, hundreds of times. Thanks to their reinforced edges, they're built to last, reducing the need for disposable paper towels and helping you make a positive impact on the environment. Versatile and easy to wash. These cloths are not limited to one type of cleaning task. They excel at cleaning car exteriors and interiors, electronics, eyeglasses, screens, and so much more. After use, simply rinse them or toss them into your washing machine. They're completely safe and easy to clean. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what customers are saying about the HOMEXCEL microfiber cleaning cloth. As you can see, these cloths have received rave reviews for their versatility, absorbency, and durability. Now, let's briefly compare the HOMEXCEL microfiber cleaning cloth to some other products on the market. While there are other options out there, the HOMEXCEL microfiber cleaning cloth shines with its exceptional quality and affordability. In conclusion, the HOMEXCEL microfiber cleaning cloth is a game-changer in the world of cleaning. With their superior performance, reusability, and eco-friendliness, they are a must-have for every household. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game and make a positive impact on the environment, click the link in the description below to get your own HOMEXCEL microfiber cleaning cloths today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy cleaning!